Hello, everyone. Narinig mo na ba yung generational wealth? So this is a example of generational wealth na i-discuss ko ngayon. This is Sun Smarter Life Elite Peso 10. Good for retirement, education, and safe for milestone. Mapa-business man yan, or kung bata yung i-insure, pwede rin yung pang-education niya, pambayad sa mga school supply, pang birthday niya, or pang ampaw niya every Christmas, or pwede rin pang debut niya or 7th birthday. Basta kahit ano, pwede rin pag lumaki na siya, pang wedding gift, or pwede rin naman pang down ng kondo, pang down ng kotse, o pambili ng mga financial goals niyo sa buhay. Pwede rin pang concert fund, travel fund. Dahil ipapakita kong benefit na to, ay kayang bayaran lahat ng yun, no? This is a passive income in the future. To summarize, this is guaranteed 10 years to pay na may guaranteed payout na 400,000 every 2 years until age 100, starting on the 6th year, ayan siya, 8% of the face amount, which is yung anong face amount nito nakalagay is 5 million. So, 400,000 ang 8%. At starting siya at the end of the 6th policy year, then every other year throughout your lifetime. So this will help supplement your funds for education, an important milestone, or your retirement years. Okay? So life insurance coverage naman ito is 200% of the face amount. Kaya 10 million. Now, i-discuss ko furthermore yung mga benefit, no? Ito siya. At the age of 1, starting on the age of 6, may bumabalik na guaranteed payout endowment benefit. So guaranteed po yan, 400,000. Then on the 8th year, age 10, 12, 14, 16, and so on until lifetime hanggang age 100. So maganda dito talaga, ideally, dapat mga bata pa or age 0 or basta hindi gaanong matanda kasi para ma-maximize yung guaranteed payout, mahaba yung time na makaka-receive. Okay? And then, imagine na lang kung magkaka-receive siya ng ganyan, no? At the age of 6, anong gagawin niya ng pagka-age 6 pa lang? Anong gagawin niya dyan? Siyempre, insured yung bata, pero ang policy owner, yung payor. Si payor muna or ikaw, yung makikinabang ng 400,000. So, pwede yan pagka on the 7th birthday niya, ipunin mo, o kaya pang travel nyo, kaya pang concert, or yung pang banding nyo, pang Christmas, o reunion, pwede rin. So, kaya magtayo ka ng business. Every 2 years, meron kang pagtayo ng business. So, pwede, no? Saka kahit hindi ka pa tapos maghulog. Kasi 10 years to pay ito eh. May bumabalik na after 5 years. So, i-compare to natin sa mga condo, no? Usually, mga condo, turnover niyan after 5 years pa eh. And then, maghanap ka ng kliyente or maghanap ka ng tenant para mag-rent doon at doon ka lang kikita. Siyempre, re-renovate mo pa, another gastos. Then, pag may mga maintenance, another gastos. Pero dito, kapag alternative way, liquidity is here, no? Na consistent money. Yun naman din yung habol natin sa condo, no? Consistent money, passive income in the future, na unti-unti nag-grow yung value ng lupa. And this is also nag-grow, no? Yung value ng payout. Now, let's go to the next column. This is accumulated endowment benefit, which is meron dito, yung 400,000 mo, kung hindi mo winidraw, magiging 416,000. And this case, is no risk. Kasi regardless kung anong ekonomiya, anong status ng market, hindi siya nakadepende doon. Okay? And never pumalya si Sun Life na magbigay ng mga accumulated rate, 4.2% in this case. So walang risk po yan kasi nakasandal ka sa very stable company na si Sun Life. 130 years na this 2025. So, balik tayo dito, no? Kung hindi mo i-withdraw itong 400,000, nag-grow na siya ng 834,000. And so, no, halimbawa, ayaw mo i-withdraw until mag-age 18 siya. After 18 years, naipon na yung 3.6 million. So, pwede na yan pang college fund. Kaya na rin i-fund yan nung 4-year course niya. O kaya pandibo niya kasi 18 naman na siya eh. Okay? Yan. And till age 100 nag-grow to, no? Kung ma-maximize natin yung full potential ng guaranteed payout hindi siya withdraw hanggang age 60 muna, no? Retirement fund, 42 million. Can you imagine what kind of retirement she have or yung anak mo kung meron siya 42 million. Pero tapos na siya maghulog dito, no? Okay? Parang meron kang asset na lupa na ganyan na pala yung halaga. So ito, liquid agad to. Hindi mo na kailangan pang maghanap ng mga talent or gumastos ng mga renovation. Kasi yan na yung growth ng money mo. Money will work for you while you sleep. O kaya, withdraw niya hanggang age 670 or maximize hanggang age 100. 237 million. Okay? So, hindi lang siya 1,000, no? 237 million. 0.4. Okay? So, ganyan yung potential niya kapag na-maximize until age 100. And then, next column naman, another cash benefit is cash dividends. So, yearly meron yan. 3,000 the first year, 10,000 the second year, 20, 34, 50,000 the fifth year. So every year may ganyan. Pwede rin naman i-withdraw yan. And then nakadepende yung growth niya sa Sun Life din. So no risk po, no? So after 7th year, pwede niya withdraw. Every year yan, 78,000. Kung hindi naman ito i-withdraw, kasi lumalaki din to yung yearly dividends until age 100 eh. Yan. So hanggang 200,000 every year yan. 'Di ba? Aside from may every 2 years kang 400,000 kung gusto mo i-withdraw. Pero ka ding withdrawable dividends. On top of insurance po yan. Hindi mate-terminate yung plan kapag withdraw nyo to. Yan. Kasi that is for your living benefit. And then, dito na tayo sa next column, illustrative accumulated dividends. So, ito naman yung illustrated na dividends niya pag nag-accumulate. Halimbawa, 7th year na. Siyempre, yan yung special na birthday din kapag bata, no? Meron nang nag-grow na 280,000. So, pwede pang birthday, o. 'Di ba? So, pwede yan. O kaya gusto nyo, hindi nyo ipon, pwede kayo mag-travel every year. So, pagka naman magkaroon ng emergency, may mahuhugot ka na din every year. Kung halimbawa, kailangan pambili ng gamot. So, that is medical fund. Hanggang mag-age 60, kasi pagka age 60, kadalasan, may sakit-sakit na yan, di natin alam kung healthy lifestyle pa ba, or healthy living, or healthy pa ba yung katawan after 60. So, meron siya 200,000, no? Dividends every year. Bukod pa yan sa 400,000, no? O kaya, magtayo ulit siya ng business dyan. Every 2 years, may natatayo siyang business. Diba? Ang ganda. So, again, if hindi naman i-withdraw itong plan hanggang age 18, halimbawa lang, 2.3 million na siya. So, kung may naipon ka ng 3.6 million dito sa payout endowment, meron ka pa sa dividends na naipon na 2.3 million, hindi mo siya withdraw. So, total 5 million. Talagang ready for the battle na siya sa college. Sure na yan. And imagine na lang kung saan siya makakapag-aaral ng ganyan. Maybe in Ateneo, UST, mga university, mga talagang matugatog or kilalang-kilala talaga at magkakaroon siya ng magandang network dun, 'di ba? Magandang edukasyon, sigurado na talaga. So ito yung para sa mga sigurista or generational wealth 'no, kasi habang bata pa siya, ikaw muna makikinabang, first generation. And then second generation, pagka lumaki na siya, kaya niya na mag-isa, siya na yung makikinabang. Hanggang magkapamilya siya, ang makikinabang naman ay yung pamilya niya, 'no. Kasi may insurance din 'to. Whatever happens sa kanya, insured siya, may 10 million plus dividends, plus yung accumulated na endowment kung hindi naman na-withdraw. Kasi ito na yung next benefit 'no, total death benefit. Since day one, insured na ng 10 million kahit di naman talaga aabot ng 10 million ang ihulog dito. Kaya lumalaki yung life insurance until age 100 kasi lumalaki yung dividends saka endowment. Dahil kung hindi naman na-withdraw siya, gusto mo lang halimbawa, hindi mo talaga wini-withdraw, lumalaki siya, gusto mo lang lumalaki, tapos may biglang nangyari, yung 10 million plus yung mga cash benefits ibibigay na rin sa beneficiaries, sa generational wealth. So, talagang pang-generational wealth siya. Intact yung cash benefit, walang tapon, okey? Now dito naman sa total living benefit, pinag-plus lang yung lahat 'no, kasi kapag wini-draw mo na lahat 'to, halimbawa at the age of 20 withdraw mo na lahat yung 12 million, ta's the total cost, terminated na siya 'pag wini-draw na lahat, sayang naman 'no? So, para naman dito sa guaranteed cash value, this is loanable, na walang kahirap-hirap mag-loan sa Sun Life kasi pera mo naman puwede mo i-loan 'yan. Now kapagka hindi mo na naibalik within 1 year, mate-terminate na yung plan, parang as if talagang wini-draw mo na lahat kasi kasama na 'yan, eh. Okey, puwede na ma-terminate, then puwede mo na withdraw lahat 'pag 'di mo na talaga kaya bayaran yung loan. Kasi may 8% interest yun at 8% lang. Compare naman sa mga bank na 3% per month or 36% per year. So ito 8% per year, okey? Per year na yun 'no? So maliit lang yung loan interest and mabilis lang, di mo na kailangan maghintay ng approval or magpakita ng payslip or tumawag pa sa office mo para i-confirm yung eligibility ng employment. So dito mabilis na lang mag-loan, may mga hugot ka diyan in case of emergency talaga. So, summarize ko lang 'no, this plan can give until age 100, maximize, ayan, benefit is 443 million point 9. O kaya let's say at the age of 60 na lang, 83 million, okey? But, total na kailangan mong i-invest or bayaran dito na annual premium for 10 years. Okay, so annual every year, 883,676.32 or in 10 years, total 8.8. 'Di ba? 8.8 tapos makukuha mo 83 million or kaya 443 million in the future. That's the asset that you invest today, that you save today. So kung may natutulog kang pera sa bangko, this is installment naman. Hindi agad-agad na 8.8 million agad yung ihuhulog mo. This is also alternative investment na passive income in the future para money will work for you. Kasi the more time you have, the more opportunity to build wealth, and the more money you save, the more growth that you will have in the future. Grabe yung growth, 'di ba? So, this is something that you can think about if natutulog lang yung pera sa bangko or may kailangan kang invest na medyo malaki-laki pero hindi ka rin sure kung kikita. Kasi ito para talaga sa mga sigurista na gustong kumita at walang problema in the future. Let me know if you need help or sa tingin mo masyadong mataas 'tong annual premium, puwede naman natin babaan. So may mga, minimum pa 'to 'no na mas mababa. Puwede rin yung 80K every 2 years or 16K every 2 years. So may mas mababa pa 'no. O kaya naman, kung sa tingin mo maliit pala 'to, may gusto mo 20 million coverage, so that's 800,000 every 2 years 'no, makikinabang ka. So gusto mo bumili ka every 2 years ng kotse, 'di ba? So why not? So this is, again, ah para sa mga sigurista lang. If you have any questions or gusto mo ng other option na let me know kung magkano talaga yung budget mo para ma-customize ko yung plan na the best for you, for your needs, and for your loved ones. Thank you!